a lot of you may not know me, but I mean, I just started this YouTube channel, so yeah. Well, today I have the CDGs time collab by Converse. A lot of you guys may have seen them or not, but here they go. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I got the shoes from Go. I got them used, and they cost me like 120 plus shipping. It was like 130. Yeah, just want to throw that out there, just in case you or someone is looking for some CDGs or any shoes out there that are for whatever. Yeah, I've been waiting on this package for a while. I finally got it and I'm happy as fuck. Ooh. Yeah. There it is. 9. Oh shit. Yeah, it's 9. There's the box. And what I've seen is that Goat always, you know, like here's the goat sticker and whatnot. And what I've seen is like that they always send this, the little paper with the sticker on it, to know that it's verified. Whatever, I don't really know. I'm an upcoming hype beast. And here they are, Converse. Ooh, shit. You wanna look at it first? Oh, shit. Ooh, a little note. A note by Goat. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much it's saying that, that Goat is like the most trusted like website and whatnot for shoes, and here you go, there's that little sign to know that it's verified, and yeah, here these puppies are. I saw that it said that it was discolored, but I don't really see. Maybe he was talking about this, but like, I don't know if you could see. No, you can't really see at all. It's pretty good. The soles, they're perfect. I don't know if they're steel to you or whatever, but I mean, I really wanted these shoes for a while now. I've been seeing them, and yeah, I'm pretty glad that I have them now. A little bit of scuffs, but it's not that big of a deal. Nothing a little wash could do. Alright, that should wrap it up. I'm sorry if it was really cringy. It was like, I'm really shy when it comes to coming to new things, but like after a while, like I started to build up more, how do you say, like more courage to, you know, to do what I want to do. You get me? And yeah, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm sorry if that was really cringy. I just kind of didn't know what to say at all. It was just like my first time and whatnot. Alright, thank you for watching. Later.